Hello students, myself Dr. Shilpi Gupta. Welcome again to the class of chemistry and teaching to the students of graduation. And now as we are continuing with the topic alcohol, now we will step further. Okay, now the reaction mechanism we are doing, the preparation of alcohol we are doing. I have explained you different preparation of alcohol along their mechanism. Now today, a very simple reaction which mechanism is not compulsory to do, which is not important to do, is the fermentation reaction. This is the last preparation of alcohol. Fermentation reaction. As you all know, fermentation is carried out in presence of yeast. Now how we will prepare alcohol with this reaction is, first of all, the cane sugar is being in presence of yeast is being broken down into simple sugar like glucose and fructose. This is cane sugar. Now the complex sugar, in presence of yeast, it is being broken down into the simple sugar, glucose and fructose. Now the glucose, the reaction will be proceed and the fermentation is being done in presence of yeast. What will form is ethanol. Okay, and as the fermentation is being carried out, what will form is carbon dioxide. So this is a simple reaction which mechanism is not important. Understood? Now we will proceed further. Now we will do acidity of alcohol. What is the meaning of acidity? Acidity means the ability to give proton. Okay, acidity means the ability to give proton. Okay, now acidity of alcohol. As we have done three types of alcohol, they are in monohydric alcohol. You must have studied. First is primary alcohol. Then second is secondary alcohol. And the third one is tertiary alcohol. We did earlier, explained you earlier what are primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. They are also called as 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol and 3rd degree alcohol. Okay, now primary alcohol or 1 degree alcohol, I told you earlier also, I explain you again, are those in which the hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom, which is further attached to a 1-methyl group. 1-methyl group or non-methyl group. Okay, OH is attached to the carbon atom, which is hydroxy group, is the alcoholic group, which is attached to the carbon atom, which is further attached to 1-methyl group or non-methyl group. Secondary alcohol or 2 degree alcohol is, they are attached to 2-methyl group, like this. Okay. Hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom, which is further attached to the 2-methyl group. That's why it is called as 2 degree alcohol. And this is called as 1 degree alcohol. Okay. Now comes the third tertiary alcohol, in which 3 alkyl groups are there. Like this. Hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom, which is further attached to 3 alkyl groups. Okay. This is 3 degree alcohol. As it is attached to 3 alkyl groups, it is called as 3 degree alcohol. When we talk about acidity of alcohols, acidity always count as 1 degree is more acidic than 2 and like this. 1 is more acidic than 2 degree and 2 is more acidic than 3. 3 is actually not acidic. Actually alcohol is weakly acidic. But in comparison, 1 is more acidic than 2 and 2 is more acidic than 3 degrees. Now I will explain you how. Okay. See. Plus I effect will be followed. Okay. When plus I effect follows, because of CH3 group, the plus I effect will be followed. When plus I effect is followed, what happens? The electron density is transferred to the more electronegative atom. Now, oxygen being more electronegative, the electron density will be transferred here. It will become more electronegative. If we proceed any reaction and if hydrogen breaks like this, first of all, it will not allow hydrogen to break. But if hydrogen breaks like this, what will happen? A plus I effect will be followed, and they will push more electrons towards oxygen, and oxygen will become more electronegative. It is already electronegative, and when it will get more electrons, it will attract again the hydrogen towards itself. It will not allow hydrogen to release. So that's why alcohol is weakly acidic. Okay. In case of secondary alcohol, there are two alkyl groups. Means more plus I effect will be charged. When more plus I effect will be charged, what happens? They will together give more electrons to the oxygen atom, and oxygen will become more electronegative than primary alcohol or 1 degree alcohol, and again it will not allow, the oxygen will not allow the hydrogen to release, and if in case it gets released, it will again attract hydrogen towards itself. In case of tertiary alcohol, as I told you, it is very weakly acidic. It is very weakly acidic. There are 3 alkyl groups, so more inductive effect will be pushed, and then what happens? The oxygen will be more and more electronegative, because there are 3 alkyl groups as compared to secondary and the primary alcohol. And then what will happen? Even if the oxygen releases hydrogen, when inductive effect will be applied, then oxygen will again attract hydrogen towards itself. So in this case, that's why we say that 1 degree is more acidic than 2, and 2 is more acidic than 3 degree. This is the acidic strength of alcohol. Now, in case of water, water is more acidic than alcohol, or alcohol is more acidic than water, because water don't have alkyl group, so it doesn't have inductive effect. So it is very if we compare alcohol with water, then what will happen? It is more acidic. Okay. This is over. Now, before we start the chemical properties of alcohol, I will tell you some more important points. Is hydrogen bonding. There are 2 types of hydrogen bonding. You must all have learned it before. Hydrogen bonding is the bonding between the polarity, the bonding between oxygen and a more electronegative and electropositive atoms. Okay. There are 2 types of hydrogen bonding. One is intermolecular, and the other one is intramolecular. Intramolecular is within the molecule, okay, and intermolecular is between the 2 molecules. So, in the hydrogen bonding of alcohol depends on its molecular weight. In the lower molecules, like single molecules, the hydrogen bonding, which hydrogen bonding will be carried out? This one. In the simpler molecules. So, when simpler molecules hydrogen bonding is being carried out, it is easier to break them. But when in higher molecules, as we step further, the higher molecules, then its molecular weight will be increased, then intermolecular hydrogen bonding will be applied. Means oxygen of one molecule will make a bond with the hydrogen of another molecule, and the more stronger bond will be formed, and so higher temperature will be required to break them. This is hydrogen bonding of alcohols. Then the next point is solubility. In case of solubility, like dissolves like. Like dissolves like. Okay, like dissolves like means alcohol have polar bonds. Hydroxy group, it is polar, and in water it is again polar. So alcohol is easily soluble in water because it will make bond with water. Okay, because of hydroxy group. So lower alcohol means methanol. It is more easily soluble because hydroxy group, because of hydroxy group. But when alkyl group or the carbon chain is being increased, the higher molecules, when the molecules become more higher, when the alkyl chain is increased like ethanol, propanol, butanol, what will happen? These are not polar. Okay, so this is hydrophilic, means it is water loving because it can easily form the bond with water because they are polar, and this is non-hydrophilic. This is we can say hydrophobic. Hydrophobic. Okay. Hydrophilic and hydrophobic. In similar molecules, there is not much bigger chain, so it is easily soluble. The solubility is more. But when the hydrogen, the alkyl chain is being increased, when C carbon chain is being increased, the solubility decreases because hydrophilic and hydrophobic. The hydrophobic chain is being increased, and since it is less soluble in water, so solubility increases with the more complex form. Okay. The boiling point and the melting point. Boiling point and melting point. Again, boiling point and melting point increases with its chain length. It depends on the chain length. As the chain length will increase, the bond will be increases, the hydrogen bonding will be increased, and more boiling point and more melting point will be required to break their chain. Okay. So far we have done all the contents like the preparation of alcohol, its introduction, then classification, then nomenclature, and now acidity of alcohols, boiling point and melting points, hydrogen bonding, solubility. Now we will start with the chemical properties of alcohol in our next video. Till then, have a great day. Goodbye.